Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to create logos, badges or creative text layouts, Canva lets you curve text around shapes or in circular designs without any advanced design skills. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to curve text in Canva in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, open Canva and log into your account, open an existing design or click create and create a design. Okay, so let's choose, for example, this one. So curved text works in any design type. So now go to the text tab on the left. Okay, click add a heading, for example, like this. So type your text, for example. Keep text short for best results. So click the text box, okay, and make sure it's highlighted. You must select the text before applying effect. So click effect in the top toolbar, okay. Look for the curve option. Here is it. Okay, effects appear only when text is selected. Okay, so click curve as I did. A slider will appear. Now move the slider to adjust the curve, okay, whether like this or like this. So adjust until the curve looks balanced. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.